signs that you're still a rookie rider. But hey, that's okay. Let's work towards fixing that. First, you keep looking right ahead. If your eyes are right ahead in front of the bike, every turn will feel scary. Learn to look ahead where you want to go. Your bike will follow your eyes. Second, you grab the brakes. Panic equals full fist on the lever. I'll make a separate reel on this particular topic. Instead, try this. Gentle squeeze, then progressively harder. Remember, brakes are the most powerful part of your bike. Learn to use them wisely. Third, using half a clutch. Parking, half a clutch. Signal, half a clutch. Traffic, half a clutch. You're cooking your clutch plate, chef. Instead, find the friction zone on your clutch and then fully in or fully out depending on the situation. The key is to practice regularly. Fourth, both feet down at every stop. That screams, I don't trust my own balance. Instead, try stopping on one foot. Bar straight, body relaxed. Lastly, you brag about speed and not skill. Rookies brag about speed. Good riders brag about smoothness, lines, and coming home in one piece. If you saw yourself in any of these, don't be offended. Remember, everyone starts a rookie, just don't stay one. Do share this reel to someone who you know is a rookie or is a pretty good rider. Ride safe, ride smart, and I'll see you in the next one.